I thought my house was making noises. Then I found the schedule. I live alone, and my house is old, so when it started making noises at night, I didn't panic. At first, it was just footsteps. Slow, careful, always above my bedroom ceiling. I told myself it was pipes or rats. But rats don't stop when you turn on the lights. Every night at exactly 2:17 a.m., the footsteps began. Same pattern, same pace, like someone walking a familiar route. I tried recording it. The audio picked up nothing. One night I yelled, "Hello?" The footsteps paused, then resumed, closer. I didn't sleep after that. The next morning I searched the attic. It was empty, except for a dusty folding chair and a notebook tucked behind an insulation panel. The notebook wasn't old. It was dated this week. Inside were entries written in neat handwriting. 2:17 a.m., begin movement. 2:19 a.m., pause if lights activate. 2:23 a.m., stand above bedroom. My stomach dropped. The last page wasn't finished. It just said, "If he finds this, move earlier." That night I stayed awake, gripping my phone, staring at the ceiling. At 2:12 a.m., the footsteps started. But this time, they weren't above me. They were in the hallway, slow, careful, stopping right outside my bedroom door. Then my phone buzzed. A notification from my security app. Motion detected, attic camera. The live feed opened, and I watched myself, standing in the attic, holding the notebook, smiling at the camera. If you want, I can also give you